And the air is slightly starting to feel more crisp and the temps are slowly but surely dipping, which is why it's important to ensure that your HVAC unit is up to date to keep you warm this fall and winter season. Big Mountain Heating and Air offers energy efficient services to keep homeowners comfortable at home while keeping energy costs down. And here with more is Varen Larson. Hey, Varen.
Hi, Ms. Desiree Shepard.
Hey, Mr. Varen Larson. Happy to have you on.
Yeah.
So, Varen, what are some of the procedures that Big Mountain technicians do that allow you to guarantee homeowners a greater savings on their annual utility bills than the cost of your YCL service offer?
I like to have that question asked of me because we do a ton of things that what I often call a do-nothing tune-up doesn't do, and that is we're doing a very comprehensive service, very labor-intensive, at a very low cost if you're one of the first 10 callers on the program. You know, your system gets so dirty over the course of the year. It costs you money, it costs you comfort, and it takes a lot of work to change that and not just do something that is to allow a technician that gets into the home and doesn't really do that work. We do look at the stuff that he's doing. Did that happen the last time you had a tune-up? Oh, you didn't ever have a tune-up on your system. Yeah, well, most people don't, but we do a ton of work for a low cost, and we do it to gain you as a customer for life. And so thank you for asking that question.
You bet. And Varen, how much does the average homeowner in Northern California pay in utility dollars running their AC and furnace annually?
Yeah, again, I love this question because most people don't know they're paying $1,000 a year. This is the average in just keeping comfortable. That's not your total utility bill. It's half the average utility bill, $1,000 a year because you're running your system 3,000 hours a year on average, and that's a lot of money. We can save you well over 10% of that.
Wow, when you hear the numbers and see them visually, it really shows you how massive that is. So what makes Big Mountain's rejuvenation service different than the normal air conditioner tune-up?
Well, like I said, Desiree, it's two parts. It's furnace and air conditioner. It's not just one, either air conditioner tune-up or then later in another season, a furnace tune-up. It's both. It's two parts. It's comprehensive. And it comes with some tremendous guarantees for even at the price point that we use as a loss leader to gain 10 new customers.
And does Big Mountain's rejuvenation service come with a guarantee on both pieces of equipment or just the AC?
Good question. Yeah, both. And that's for the whole year because, of course, we're going to be coming into the summer or winter. And that's for furnace and air conditioner. If you're one of the first 10 callers, at that number, 378-6271 or 4662 or 4. I'm sorry, too many numbers.
All the numbers. And Varen, can you share with us that special offer that you give YCL viewers?
Yeah, you bet. We guarantee both against breakdown. It includes 2 annual services. It's only $69. That's a loss leader pricing to the YCL callers. 378-4664. Okay, we'll go with that one. And give us a call, and we'll get you on the schedule. This is the best time to do it, folks. It really is. You don't want to wait till you get farther into the next season and call when you have a breakdown. Right now is the best time. So look forward to having you call us. We guarantee you're going to save double the cost of this service on your utility bills, or we'll refund the cost of the service.
And you mentioned, Varen, right now is a perfect time to kind of hop on it. I know the fall season is finally here, so we're kind of adjusting to the temperature changes, but you're saying hop on it now before it's too late.
Call before you have a problem, because remember, you're guaranteed. If you do have a problem, most people go, well, who do we call? Well, if you've called us at the rejuvenation, you'll know who to call.
All right. Don't call the Ghostbusters. Call Big Mountain Heating and Air. Varen, for more on their heating and air services, visit bigmountainair.com.